Hi there guys, it's Mario here from PC Organize with another video today, how to disassemble HP Pavilion 15 series. First of all, we remove the battery off, and then after the battery we remove all the screws on the top cover. Just take care as you remove this battery. It's not the easiest battery to take it off. Make sure the correct unlocked buttons are pressed. As you can see, I'm struggling a little bit there, even I've done this many times. Anyway, it's out now. So let's just remove all the screws on here. All the screws on the top cover need to come off, so it doesn't matter which order you do it as long as they come off. So we just had to pause for a minute just to do something else that we had running. So we're going back into this and removing all the screws. Now that we removed all the screws, we take off this CD-ROM slowly. Just by pulling it out, it just comes out. And then remove those two screws underneath the CD-ROM, because these two screws connect with the top cover, like keyboard on top. Just check around if you maybe forgot some other screws, just like me there. Look, forgot another one. And just try and take off all of them slowly. Remove this black plastic covers now that the screws have been removed after pulling out this one here because just remaining in. It looks like they come out, but actually they do, so just try and find an angle so that it comes out like that. There's few screws underneath that as well that we haven't been able to take them before, so we remove those ones as well. Now what we do with a piece of plastic or whatever you use to untick the clips, you just go all three sides and unclip the clips from it. Try and release it as much as you can, but do not force anything, because you don't need to. You'll see. I struggled a bit to bring it out because obviously this first time that this laptop is getting open, but yeah, so once it come out once, then it does come out a bit easier. As you can see here, there is no clips to take off from there or anything, so do not try and unclip clips or anything because there isn't any. See, even there, if you put the plastic, try and go into the where the separation is, just doesn't go anywhere, so there's nothing there to unclip. Now the way you do it to take the cover off is you, as you can see, like you need to sort of turn the laptop towards you, like I've got it right now, and oh, by the way, there was two screws here that I haven't been able, I didn't see them to remove before. So they have like two little sticky plastic label that is stuck on top. So yeah, so you need to remove those labels and remove these 2 screws where I just pointed out. So yeah, so that's how you bring it out now. Slowly try and move it up and aside, up and aside, and try and release so that it comes out. Slowly though, because you might break it, so don't push it a lot, but it needs a little bit of a force. Now be patient a little bit. As you can see, I am getting a little bit impatient because it's not easily coming out. But be patient. Keep moving it and moving it to try and release it. See, then finally came out. So it just to find the right angle for it to come out. But once you have removed those screws, it will come out. So once you have this out, now you have everything, whatever you want to upgrade: the hard drive, the RAM, fan, processor, or whatever you need to change of the system board. You can do it from now. So you change it and then put it back together. In our case, we are removing the hard drive because we're removing this hard drive for as it's dead, so we're replacing with a new one. So I'm gonna remove the hard drive now. That's it, it's out. It's got 2 plastic bits. Leave them on the side for easier installation when you put the other one, and that's it. So now you put the other one